Top 4 Best AI Presentation Makers. Creating a presentation from scratch is going to take hours. You draft the outline, build the slides, hunt for images, wrestle with formatting, trying to make everything look consistent, realize the design is not working, and start over with a different template. Now, for most people, the content part, knowing what to say, is the actual easy part. The production part, making it look professional, is where the time goes. Now, AI presentation makers are going to cut that production time dramatically. You provide the content direction, and the AI handles the design, layout, and structure. Now, the best ones in 2026 are going to produce results that are genuinely presentation ready, not templates that you have to rebuild from scratch, but complete decks you refine and customize rather than create from zero. Now, these are the 4 best options available right now. AI presentation tools have matured significantly in 2026, and the best ones now are going to offer 3 distinct capabilities. First of all, there's content generation, which is writing the actual slide text from a brief or an outline. Then there's design generation, producing layouts, choosing visual elements, and applying consistent styling. And then iteration support, which allows you to modify what the AI produced through natural language instructions rather than manual slide editing. The tools that combine all 3 capabilities well are the ones worth using for real work. Now, Gamma is the strongest all-around AI presentation tool available in 2026, and the one that produces the most complete and visually polished outputs from brief inputs. Okay. Now, the design quality is what separates Gamma from most competitors. The layouts are varied and intentional. Different slide types get different visual treatments rather than a uniform template applied to every slide. So the color schemes are cohesive, the typography is clean, and the overall aesthetic of it all is incredible. Now, editing is done through a simple interface and where you click on any element to change it. And Gamma pretty much accepts natural language instructions for even larger changes. Like you can go ahead and tell it to make something more visual or even add a slide about the key risks. Okay. It updates the deck without requiring any manual editing whatsoever. But the free tier is going to give you a limited number of AI generated presentations per month, and it is enough for evaluation and occasional use. The paid plan at $10 although per month removes the generation limit and adds more customization options. So for anyone who regularly creates presentations, the paid plan pays for itself quickly in the time saved. Moving on, we move over to our second tool, which is called Beautiful AI. Now, Beautiful AI takes a very different approach. So instead of going ahead and generating complete presentations from scratch, it provides an AI enhanced design system where every design decision is automated and based on the content that you add. So add a bullet point and Beautiful AI automatically adjusts the layout. It adds an image and it resizes and repositions surrounding elements. Change the amount of text on a slide and the design adapts without you having to manually resize or reformat anything. Now, this approach is particularly useful for presentations where you have clear content already written and need intelligent design automation rather than content generation. Now, Beautiful AI doesn't write slides for you. It makes every design decision about those slides automatically so you can focus on the content without touching layout or formatting at any point. The template library is quite large and the designs are consistent high quality. So for business presentations, investor decks, client proposals, internal strategy presentations, Beautiful AI produces professional results faster than manual PowerPoint or Keynote work. Plans are going to start at $12 a month. Then we move over to Tome. Now, Tome is an AI presentation tool with a particular strength in narrative-driven presentations. Okay, so basically, decks are going to tell a story or make an argument rather than just presenting information. Its AI actually understands the presentation structure at the narrative level, not just the visual level, and its content generation reflects that it builds slides that flow as a coherent argument rather than a sequence of independent informational panels. Now, for pitch decks, keynote presentations, and any presentation in that fact where persuasion is the goal, Tome's narrative aware generation produces more compelling output than tools that optimize primarily for visual design. Now, the design is clean but less varied than Gamma. Tome prioritizes your content clarity over visual complexity, which is often the right trade off for presentations that need to persuade rather than impress. Now, Tome has a free tier with limited features and a paid plan at $16 a month for individuals. Now, moving on, for anyone whose presentation workflow is already in PowerPoint, Microsoft's Copilot is another great thing coming your way. Okay, because Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint is the most integrated option because it works directly inside the tool that you are already using. Now, Copilot in PowerPoint can generate a complete presentation from just a simple prompt, add slides to an existing deck based on a description, redesign your existing slides for visual consistency, and summarize long presentations into actual key points. The design output is more conservative than Gamma or Beautiful AI, and it works within PowerPoint's existing design system rather than introducing novel layouts. But for organizations with established PowerPoint templates and brand standards, this conservatism is a feature rather than a limitation. So if you need the fastest path from ideas to complete polished presentation, I would say Gamma is good if you have existing content and need intelligent design automation. Beautiful AI if your presentations need to tell a story or make an argument. Tome if you're already in a proper argument state, and if you have 365 ecosystem running and want AI inside of PowerPoint, Copilot is your best bet. So for most individual users building presentations occasionally, Gamma's free tier is enough to see significant time savings without spending anything. So for regular use, any of the paid plans in this list cost less than 1 hour of a professional designer's time and will save you more than that per presentation. Now, AI presentation makers have crossed the threshold from novelty to genuine productivity tool. The best ones in 2026 are Gamma, Beautiful AI, Tome, and Microsoft Copilot. Each are going to produce different results that are competitive with manually designed presentations at a fraction of the time. So try Gamma first if you're evaluating that category. Its free tier gives you a complete picture of what AI presentations and their generation can do. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.